Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NBEV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green line annotations here is coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into Tuesday and really the remainder of the week, if this upwards bounce is going to get any sort of further strength behind it, then the next key level, like I said, if it's, the bounce is going to continue, price is going to have to get up through the $3.60 mark. So 360, that near-term level going into Tuesday. If the price can push up through that level, then the next overall level to keep an eye on would be that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as the week plays out, that line is going to move itself lower and lower. So right now, yes, it's valued at 368. But again, that is a moving average, meaning that value will move and change as the line itself does. So from the resistance standpoint, keep your eye on those levels right there. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated behind this other than the fact of, the bleeding finally stopped today, essentially right down there at 342. You can see on a couple different occasions, both there and there, the bears try to press down through there. But to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did step up, in a strong enough fashion to be able to kind of hold the line right there and not allow the price to make any sort of further downwards movement. So keep an eye on that from a bigger picture perspective, because as far as, if that level were not to hold, then at that point, the next overall level of support, not until all the way down there at 335. And 335 would be putting it, down here at lows that have not been seen since, not that long ago. I mean, only on, July 24th, but before July 24th, I mean, as you see here, a long, long time since the price would be down around that area. So overall, rough day today, but, to offer up a little bit of defense, the overall market's got absolutely crushed today. So we'll see if the price can try to stabilize and get some sort of bounce or not as the week progresses. The week is still young, 4 days left. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.